Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. So this video I'm going to discuss about my today's trade, and also I'm going to discuss about how we can what are the trade opportunity which we are getting in the Telegram alert, and another one we are going to discuss how we can effectively use again, and the same questions was arising from that. So that is why again I'm going to make a video, so that video may be useful to some other. So that's the reason I'm going to make this video now. So today I did a trade, and a lot of questions also are arising from my positional trade, so that I'm going to explain here. And the positional trade, I did uploaded my today's profit of in the copper, right? So this is the trade which I have taken on this day. So 4th of January, I have taken the position. It is not based on any candlesticks pattern. I'm not that positional trade which I done by a advanced option strategy. So that I used to take a position at 4th Jan. I till waited for that, and today I exited. It is a positional trade, not for intraday. We have a valid stop loss and target also. But if you are waiting for the trade, so whenever it gives, so we are going to book a profit. So I waited more than 2, 4, 6, 7 trading days. Almost I waited for 8 days. It is not for intraday. If you are planning for an intraday trade based on this advanced option strategy, it may not be suitable. It is purely for a positional trade, edging basis as well as non-directional basis also. So there we took a trade around 12 rupees, and we booked somewhere around 15 rupees today. Right. So this is the trade which we are taken, and we are waiting for patiently, and we got a profit after. If the trade goes wrong, we have the stop loss. It may be triggered, but unfortunately or unfortunately, the stop loss not yet triggered on that particular position. This is the one trade which we have done on the trade. The second one where we have taken yesterday. Yesterday you seen someone who are booking the position in NMDC, and someone not able to book. So that position also generated such a great profit. But today I took Tata Steel. Tata Steel, another trade which I done. So if you have seen that, this is based on my candlesticks pattern as well as the advanced option strategy. We can combine with that also. So this is a thing where you can see there is a bullish Arami candlesticks pattern. The bullish Arami candlesticks pattern which is present on Tata Steel yesterday, that given you buy opportunity around 1160. Now it is going towards 1221. So almost 60 point it moved, but we took our options a little bit later. So we bought the Tata Steel somewhere around 1100 call option, which is around 103. So it went up to 103. We bought it and we sold it at around 123. So 20 point nearby 8,000 rupees. So good profit for intraday itself, it's generating the profit of 8,000. So which I exited from the trade. But after that, it was closed by 130. Even it goes more profit. But I good enough to make that kind of profit. So more than 10% which I earned from the trade. So it's good enough. I exited from the, sorry, more than 20%, because I buy a option around 100. So the lot size of 425. So 42,500 is the investment. I made a 8K. It is nearby 20% return in a day itself. That's good enough profit which I exited from the trade. It's based on the positional trade where we are holding for the trade with the positional basis. It's not for intraday, but if when you got the profit on intraday, you may be exiting the profit. So that is the logic where I am making the trade by positionally. So that will helping me to find out such a great opportunity based on candlesticks as well as that advanced option strategy. Both we are combinedly using here, so that may be giving you such a good profit. And some other trades also I was booking today. That was in the copper, Tata Communication. Then third one should be, I forgot that. In the copper and Tata Steel we booked. And Bata India we are booking that. It is on the live classes. So we have contacted. I have contacted another the candlesticks, that candlesticks pattern class in the morning. So that was a great success and having a good feedback on that real trade. We find out such opportunity in Bata India. There we have took around the call option of 1960. Bata India 1960, we have take the position. So there we booked somewhere around 4,000 rupees. There is a chances to make a profit, and then after it is trading around 57, but we took the position by 55 and we exited Bata India also. That is giving you such a good profit. It is based on the candlesticks class what we have contacted on the today's live. So based on that live class, we made such a good opportunity. We are trying to buy at a lowest level, so that is giving you opportunity, and we got a profit from the trade also. So that is the second one, and also great success. So many people who are joined on the class and having giving you a good feedback for me. So that I will give you some improvement, and so the feedbacks is good. So I hope that classes may be good. Those who are attend my classes, they are now know something about how to play an intraday. So this is my today's trade details. Everyone was asking about how you took the trade and where you took the trade, so like that. So this is kind of a trade we have done. So what about the alerts? So in Telegram, so we are also sending some alerts today morning. So someone may use it, right? What is the trade which we have got alert in our Telegram channel? So that we are going to discuss here. The first alert which is we have got it, Infosys at 9:45. It's a 15 minutes alert. So 10 o'clock after we are going to buy Infosys UPL. UPL was around 11 o'clock. So how many of them are using? I don't know. Maybe someone only one can use this. I was happy to do that. So someone who messaged me such a good profit he made regularly and consistently based on my candlesticks pattern. So I got today's feedback. So I was happy to that to doing such a kind of scanners and screeners that will help you to make such a great profit on intraday or a positional basis. On the next video, I'm going to teach you another great strategy of Bollinger Band, narrow range breakout. So if you are continuing watching my videos, you will subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification of my videos whenever I made. So Infosys is the first one. At we got our 9:15. Let me see whether it is possible or not. So this is what a 9:50. What happened? 9:45. This should be the 9:45 candle. So when we got the alert by 9:45, this candle, once the high is broken, we are going to take an entry. But there is a no buy opportunity present on this. So this is the entry and down level entry and high level entry. So we are going to take a trade below this level or above this level. In this trade, it generated the sell entry and it's slightly moving down, and then it recovered and closed with the minimum loss. Right, this trade doesn't work today. The first one, Infosys. And what are the stocks which we have got out of the next one is a UPL at 11 o'clock. So 11 to 11:15. 11 to 11:15. What is the candle? It is this one. Then there is a small risk of 830 to 841. Then it is triggers the higher level and it reaches to 844. And what other stock? Sun Pharma at 11:15. So this may be the 11:15. This may be the 11:15, but it triggers both the sides. Maybe initially your stop loss got triggered, next time your target got triggered, because we are using a minimum stop loss for the trade. So the risk for the trade is just 2 rupees. Once it triggers your 2 rupees stop loss, then you can reverse it out. That time your 2 rupees got recovered. So minimum stop loss kind of trade. And but my positional trade, and then Balram Chini at 11:45. Balram Chini at 11:45. This may be the candle 11:45. It initially gives you buy opportunity and then it triggers your stop loss, but after the stop loss it gives you the target. So because the risk of the trade is just 2 rupees, right? That is the thing where we are going to use. So intraday, so very minimum risk, minimum target kind of scanners which I have created, and I am providing the alert here too. So if you want to make use of it, you can make use of it. So the candle should be the reference candle. Whenever it breaks the high or a low, you are going to make a trade based on that particular candle alone. Right? Positional trades are different, intraday trades are different. So it is both are not same. Intraday strategy what we are doing, it is entirely different from positional strategy what we are doing. So don't confuse intraday and positional. So positionally you should having good margin to hold the position. We have the stop loss also, but sometimes the market may open gap down. Even we can exit with our position with the even higher losses than our what we have expected. That may be happened, but we will try to manage with the edging some other things. So we are doing. So in today's live classes, we took Bata that was profit, and another one ICICI Prudential that was trigger 3 rupees stop loss in a live session. But if we are in the position to learn, so we learned more. But if I find out such an opportunity, I didn't get a lot of opportunity today, but finally it works well and good as per the scenario where we have created the scanners and screen. I hope I'm going to plan a strategy that a live class by next week. So let you update when I planned for that date and time. So if anyone interested, you can join with me. That about this video, and thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much.